chair.
That's my chair.
You just a little old squirmy kid. That's my chair.
No, that's my chair. This is my
Oh, you got the old Parker girl
my chair.
attitude.
That's my chair.
I don't know about that so much.
No.
What if I decide to get your feet?
No! No! No!
Oh, good. She said no, it's not. I see it in her other hand. I see it in her other hand. I'm looking right up.
Daddy, this is my chair. My chair.
When I come back in, you better be out. I might have to sit down on you. That's what I might have to do.
Don't sit on me. Daddy, don't sit on me. Daddy, I need to tell you something. Let's not sit on people. Ha! Ha! Ha!
Is
You
it
got
not
a
too
messy
hot?
mouth now. Then I had to get up and get that messy mouth.
You run around here with your little old underwear on.